How do you compare two machines that last for different numbers of years? You cannot just compare their total costs. A cheaper machine that wears out sooner may cost more in the long run. The trick is to turn each cost into an equal yearly amount. This is the annual equivalent value, or equivalent annual cost. Let's see how it works. Imagine two machines that do the same job. Machine A costs $10,000 and lasts 3 years. Machine B costs $15,000 and lasts 5 years. Machine A is cheaper, but you must replace it sooner. So comparing the two price tags directly is misleading. We need a fair, per-year comparison. The equivalent annual cost spreads a cost evenly across its life. We take the present value of the costs. Then we divide by the annuity factor for that many years. This turns a lump sum into an equal yearly charge. It is like the rent you would pay each year to use the machine. Now machines with different lives become comparable. Let's find the equivalent annual cost of machine A. It costs $10,000 and lasts 3 years. The interest rate is 10%. The 3-year annuity factor is 2.49. So we divide 10,000 by 2.49. Machine A costs $4,021 a year. Now let's do the same for machine B. It costs $15,000 and lasts 5 years. The 5-year annuity factor is 3.79. 15,000 divided by 3.79 is 3,957. So machine B costs less per year than machine A. Even though it has a bigger price tag, B is the better deal. The same idea works for a project's value, not just its cost. Suppose a project has a net present value of $2,679. It runs for 4 years, at a 10% rate. We spread that value over the 4 years. The annual equivalent value is about $845 a year. So the project is like earning $845 every year. An old machine gets more expensive to run each year. Maintenance rises, and breakdowns cost you money. At some point, a new machine is cheaper overall. You replace when the old machine's yearly cost exceeds the new machine's annual equivalent cost. That crossing point is the optimal replacement time. AEV tells you exactly when to make the switch. Why does the annual equivalent method work so well? Because we assume you keep replacing the machine forever. Each machine is a link in an endless chain. The equivalent annual cost is the same for every link. So the machine with the lowest annual cost wins. That is the fairest way to compare different lifespans. Let's recap machine replacement. You cannot compare assets with different lives by their totals. Instead, convert each to an equivalent annual cost. That is the present value of costs over the annuity factor. The asset with the lowest annual cost is the best choice. And the same method finds the best time to replace. Quick quiz, test yourself. A machine costs $10,000, lasts 3 years, at 10%, where the annuity factor is 2.49, so what is its equivalent annual cost? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $4,021. We divide the 10,000 cost by the annuity factor of 2.49. Quick quiz, test yourself. A machine costs $15,000, lasts 5 years, at 10%, where the annuity factor is 3.79, so what is its equivalent annual cost? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $3,957. We divide the 15,000 cost by the annuity factor of 3.79. Quick quiz, test yourself. Machine A has an equivalent annual cost of $4,021, and Machine B costs $3,957 per year, so which do you choose? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, the second machine is cheaper. Machine B has the lower cost per year, so it is the better deal. Quick quiz, test yourself. A project has a net present value of $2,679 over 4 years at 10%, where the annuity factor is 3.17. So what is its annual equivalent value? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $845. We divide the NPV by the annuity factor to spread it over the 4 years. Quick quiz, test yourself. What is the main reason for converting costs into an equivalent annual cost? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, to compare assets with different lifespans. Equal yearly costs make machines of different lives directly comparable. Quick quiz, test yourself. The equivalent annual cost converts a lump sum cost into what? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, an equal yearly amount. It is like the rent you would pay each year to use the asset. Quick quiz, test yourself. Using the annual equivalent method, when should you replace an old machine? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, when it exceeds the new machine's EAC. Once the old machine costs more per year than a new one, you switch. Quick quiz, test yourself. The equivalent annual cost comparison assumes that you do what with the asset? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, replace it repeatedly. Each machine is a link in an endless replacement chain. Quick quiz, test yourself. For 2 assets with different useful lives, comparing their total costs directly is what? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, misleading. A cheaper short-lived asset may cost more once you account for replacement. Quick quiz, test yourself. When comparing assets, what does a lower equivalent annual cost indicate? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, the better choice. The lowest cost per year is the most economical option. Quick quiz, test yourself. A machine costs $20,000, lasts 4 years, at 10%, where the annuity factor is 3.17, so what is its equivalent annual cost? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $6,309. We divide the $20,000 cost by the annuity factor of 3.17. Quick quiz, test yourself. The annual equivalent value method converts a project's net present value into what? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, an equal yearly amount. It spreads the value evenly across the project's life. Quick quiz, test yourself. 3 machines have equivalent annual costs of $5,000, $5,200, and $4,800, so which is best? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is C, the third machine is cheapest. Machine C has the lowest cost per year, so it is the most economical. Quick quiz, test yourself. In the equivalent annual cost formula, the capital recovery factor is equal to what? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, R divided by 1 minus 1 plus R to the minus n. It is the reciprocal of the annuity factor, converting a present value into a yearly amount. Quick quiz, test yourself. According to the annual equivalent method, you replace a machine when its yearly running cost does what? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, exceeds a new machine's equivalent annual cost. At that point, a fresh machine is cheaper to run each year.